In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money in your PayPal account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on each screen, so you can top up your balance with confidence. Make sure you're signed into your PayPal account on a trusted device, and remember that features can vary by country and account type. Start by heading to your PayPal dashboard. This is your main account overview, where you'll see recent activity, your balance, and shortcuts. If you're using a web browser, the dashboard loads right after you log in. In the mobile app, you'll find a very similar layout on the Home tab. Next, scroll down until you see the PayPal balance section. Look for the transfer funds option and select it. This button is your gateway to moving money in and out of PayPal. If you don't see it right away, expand the balance area or check for a link labeled transfer or manage balance. It's typically near your balance amount. On the transfer screen, choose Add Funds to your balance. This tells PayPal you want to move money into PayPal, not out to your bank. Depending on your region, you may see different wording, but the idea is the same. You're depositing money into your PayPal balance so it's ready for purchases or payments. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll be prompted to do that first by selecting Link a Bank. Follow the on-screen guidance. In many places, you can connect instantly by signing into your bank through a secure window, or you might enter your account and routing details. Make sure the name on your bank matches your PayPal profile to avoid delays. If PayPal needs extra verification, just follow the prompts and allow a little time for that process. When you're ready, click Next. This moves you into the deposit flow. You'll typically see the bank you've selected and fields for the amount you want to add. If multiple currencies are supported, confirm you're adding funds in the correct one. From here, simply continue. Review the details carefully: the funding bank, the amount, and any notes PayPal provides about timing. Bank transfers into PayPal usually take a few business days to clear, and availability can vary by country and bank. Fees are uncommon for standard deposits, but always check the summary before you confirm. When everything looks good, submit the transfer and you'll get a confirmation screen or email. Keep an eye on your dashboard. Your balance will update once the money arrives. That's all there is to it. Go to your dashboard, open transfer funds, choose Add Funds to your balance, link your bank if needed, hit Next,